back here again. This time I'm trying to do an Arcanine that knows Snarl and Crunch. I haven't done that one yet, so I might as well knock it out the way. And if you hear like cars in the background or like, you know, crickets chirping and whatever, it's because I'm outside. I had to go outside my car to do this gym. But it's gonna be my lineup, and let's see if I can do it. Alright, I'm confident I can do it. Oh man, it's doing a lot. Why is it doing so much? Should I dodge? Maybe I should. I don't know. Nah, I shouldn't dodge. I'm just go all out. That's the type of guy I am. Ow. Yeah, he does a lot though. If I start to get worried, I'll dodge. If. This is the Feraligatr that took down the Entei. This is Mr. Perfect right here. Oh, maybe I should dodge. Well, I dodged and failed miserably. At least that happened. Nah, I should have dodged because I'm kind of running out of time. And I kind of don't want to be out here in the dark no more. To tell you the truth. Besides, I'm almost there. I think, yeah, I should be able to do it. Alrighty, cool. Snarl, Crunch, Arcanine out the way. 3 berries, 4 super, 4 revives, 6 hyper, no candy, no TMs, cause who needs those? Not this guy. Said nobody ever. Alright, let's try to catch this real quick. Should I pineapple? I guess. I really don't care about it. I got the perfect Entei, so if I'm ever gonna get a fire Pokemon, it's probably gonna be him. That was a bad throw. I got him anyways. Alright. Snarl, Crunch, Arcanine, scratch it off the list. Strong. Terrible IVs. Alright guys. See y'all in the next one.